Guys, papunta na kami sa hotel. Ito yung mga kasama namin guys. So, masaya kami. Gloves, jacket, yan. Yung mga kasama natin. So ito yung laki ng mga kasada dito. Wow, ang ganda dito. Sa ano to, Malaysia to. Ito yung kasada sa Malaysia guys. Ito yung lugar nila. Sobrang ganda. Okay. Sobrang ganda dito sa Malaysia guys. Tingnan nyo. Punta kami sa hotel guys. Wow! Hey, 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 hey. Wow. View hag lugar ay. Ako kayo. Welcome to Malaysia! Guys, ito yung Malaysia guys, oh. Laki yung mga kasada dito guys. Oh, see? So para mayroon tayong remembrance guys, i-record natin.
Good morning.
Good morning!
So you are salespeople.
Isang bagsak.
What you are selling?
Good morning, isang bagsak,
So
isang
you
milyon.
achieve something. That's why you are here. Okay, in Malaysia we say selamat datang.
Datang.
Welcome.
Okay. Selamat datang.
Thank you is terima kasih. Terima kasih. Very good. And road is called jalan. Road.
Jalan. Jalan good.
Agency door is exit. Keluar. Keluar. Okay, my name is Lakshmi. I'll be with you 3 days. In the fun for tomorrow program, I will start first, okay?
Yay!
Tomorrow we are going to a Hindu temple. Indian temple.
Ano sa kana guys,
No
oh?
shorts, no sexy clothes. You have to wear formal. I mean, jeans okay for ladies, yes. Yeah, men also no. No shorts. Yes. And because later we are going to Genting Highland, a Highland resort.
Okay.
Highland resort for men you must wear smart casual. That
Okay.
means t-shirt with collar. Jeans okay, but proper jeans, not the rock torn one.
How about long skirt?
But for ladies, no dress code. Oh, in the temple, yes. For ladies and men, proper attire. Do long skirt until where?
Pindot yung motor guys, kay Mudong may temple guys tomorrow. Akong i-record para makita nyo.
No, this wrong. Not until knee. Until your
Until the
bottom. I forgot the word for that.
It's okay. It's
Malay
okay.
word is buku lali.
Bawal the short.
Bawal short, Grace.
Thank you, Mr. Captain.
Ayun pa short kang.
Your skirt must be until your ankle.
How about dress?
Ankle. Knee, no. God, no problem.
Okay.
But we pray the
Bohol
man
is
from India. Why not
anything.
here? No, anybody.
It's a joke. I'm sorry.
You go most, you go anywhere.
Wow, I love this.
Everyone just same thing.
Doon tayo lang mall guys, oh. Ako kayo.
To respect the environment, the atmosphere. But you always can bring tea bag.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Because Genting Highland something do get cold. Yeah, 60 degrees sometime will. But it after 3 no? Yes. So this, if you are sensitive to cold, yeah, this is good. This jacket. If you are
Bali,
sensitive.
may lang kasada no? Dapat ito
If you
tang
are
size.
sensitive quality from Antarctica, then no problem. For the high school, 6,000 feet is very
Bisa to Pilipinas sa grahe.
Of course, the most important is your safety.
Guys, bali ang dagan guys. Di nami sa left side instead right side. Baling utok ni Malaysian guys.
Yes, because Nasawan have people, people Iranian, Middle East, husband you're from the Philippines. I never seen Philippine money before. The moment you show money, they do black magic. In 30 seconds, they take everything home. They move, then only you realize. Even you make report, no point. Because case will take 2-3 years to catch it. When there's a
Sa kunong kang?
everybody.
Sa kunong kang? Sabot.
Money in the hotel.